Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome, everyone. In this session, we'll explore a step-by-step framework to improve Net Promoter Score in a call center. Our focus will be on three levers: process optimization to remove friction, workforce training to strengthen skills and empathy, and AI-powered tools to deliver faster, smarter support. Together, these create a sustainable path to higher NPS and stronger customer loyalty. Let's start with one of the most powerful drivers of NPS, first call resolution, or FCR. The first step is root cause analysis. We need to look closely at why customers are calling back for the same issue. Is it a broken process, unclear communication, or a system gap? By fixing these recurring pain points, we reduce repeat contacts at the source. The second step is agent empowerment. When frontline agents have the authority to make decisions, whether it's issuing a refund, approving a replacement, or resolving exceptions, they can solve problems on the spot without unnecessary escalations. That immediate ownership builds customer trust. The third step is leveraging an AI-powered knowledge base. With instant access to FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and real-time solutions, agents no longer waste time searching or putting customers on hold. Instead, they deliver accurate answers quickly and confidently. The impact of improving FCR is significant: more issues resolved the first time, fewer escalations, less customer effort, and ultimately, stronger loyalty. And as loyalty rises, so does NPS. Next, let's talk about reducing customer effort, a critical driver of higher NPS. The first lever is seamless call routing. With AI-driven intent detection, calls can be directed to the right agent on the very first attempt. This eliminates the frustration of transfers and repeating the same problem to multiple people. The second lever is creating a unified customer view. By integrating CRM with telephony systems, agents have access to the customer's full history before the call even starts. That means less time asking for background details and more time focusing on resolution. And the third lever is omni-channel consistency. Whether a customer reaches out by voice, chat, email, or social media, they should receive the same level of quality and professionalism. Consistency builds trust, while inconsistency creates doubt and dissatisfaction. The impact is clear: when we lower customer effort, frustration decreases, satisfaction increases, and customers are far more likely to become promoters. Another key step in improving NPS is enhancing agent training and soft skills. It begins with empathy and communication training. Teaching agents to actively listen, use positive language, and apply de-escalation techniques helps customers feel respected and understood, even in difficult situations. Next is scenario-based learning. Real call recordings are a powerful training tool. By walking agents through complex, real-world interactions, they gain practical skills to handle similar situations with confidence. And finally, continuous coaching. NPS detractor feedback should not just be reported, it should be used to guide targeted coaching. When agents see the direct link between customer comments and their performance, learning becomes more personal and impactful. The result is better human interactions, stronger emotional connections, and a shift in outcomes: more promoters, fewer detractors, and a healthier NPS overall. Now let's look at optimizing call handling efficiency, an area that directly impacts both customer experience and NPS. The first step is setting balanced AHT targets. Average handle time should never push agents to rush through calls. The goal isn't speed for the sake of speed, but delivering quality resolutions efficiently without making the customer feel hurried. The second step is using AI-assisted guidance. Real-time prompts and recommendations help agents find answers faster and reduce errors, all while maintaining accuracy and professionalism. This not only boosts confidence but also ensures consistent service quality. And the third step is automated after-call work. By streamlining tasks like call notes, disposition codes, or follow-up reminders, agents spend less time on wrap-up and more time helping the next customer. The impact is powerful: faster resolutions, higher quality interactions, and smoother overall service, all of which translate into better customer experiences and stronger NPS. Another vital step in raising NPS is proactive customer engagement. The first practice is following up with detractors. When a customer gives us a low score, that's not the end of the story, it's an opportunity. By calling them back, addressing their concerns, and fixing the issue, we can often prevent churn and rebuild trust. The second practice is proactive notifications. Instead of waiting for customers to call us about outages, delays, or policy changes, we take the lead. By keeping them informed in advance, we reduce frustration and demonstrate transparency. And the third practice is closing the feedback loop. When customers share suggestions, acknowledging their input and showing visible action sends a strong signal that their voice matters. The impact is clear. Proactive engagement doesn't just reduce complaints, it turns detractors into promoters, driving direct improvement in NPS. Let's move to the final lever, leveraging AI and automation to improve NPS. First, AI-powered sentiment analysis. By monitoring tone and language in real time, AI can detect when a customer is becoming frustrated. This allows supervisors to step in before the situation escalates, preventing detractor experiences. Second, virtual assistants and chatbots. These tools handle routine queries instantly, things like balance checks, password resets, or status updates. This reduces wait times and frees human agents to focus on complex or high-value interactions. And third, predictive analytics. By analyzing patterns in behavior and history, AI can flag customers who are at risk of becoming detractors. With this insight, we can act proactively, offering solutions, discounts, or personalized outreach before loyalty is lost. The overall impact is powerful: smarter, data-driven decisions, fewer negative experiences, and steady improvements in NPS over time. To sustain improvements in NPS, the final step is monitoring and benchmarking performance. We start with real-time NPS dashboards. These allow us to track scores at the agent, team, and channel level. With this visibility, leaders can identify dips early and step in with corrective actions before small issues become major problems. Next is competitive benchmarking. Comparing our NPS with industry peers provides valuable context. It helps us set realistic improvement goals and shows us whether we are keeping pace or positioning ourselves as a leader in customer loyalty. And finally, trend analysis. Instead of looking only at the overall score, breaking results into promoters, passives, and detractors highlights where interventions matter most. For example, we might reduce detractors in one channel or focus on converting passives into promoters in another. The impact of this approach is clear: a culture of continuous improvement, a stronger brand reputation, and more resilient loyalty metrics over time. Finally, let's talk about aligning KPIs and incentives with NPS goals. The first step is building balanced scorecards. Instead of focusing only on operational metrics like CSAT, FCR, or SLA compliance, we also include NPS. This ensures that agent performance is measured not just on efficiency, but also on customer loyalty and advocacy. The second step is designing incentives for promoter creation. When agents consistently generate high NPS scores, they should be recognized and rewarded. This encourages a true customer-first mindset, where the focus shifts from simply resolving calls to creating positive, loyalty-building experiences. The impact is straightforward. Motivated agents deliver higher service quality, customers feel more valued, and as a result, we see more promoters, fewer detractors, and stronger overall NPS performance. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.